Welcome back to Byte Sized Future, the space where we uncover the AI tools changing the way businesses are built. Today, we're stepping into the world of AI-powered business plan generators, 10 of them to be exact. Each one promises to transform your idea into an investor-ready document faster than you thought possible. But they're not all created equal. As we go through each tool, you'll hear how it performs across the factors that really matter: depth, flexibility, financial accuracy, privacy, price, and more. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which one fits your journey. Let's dive in. BusinessPlan.ai is like hiring a miniature consultant who works in seconds. It creates a full-stack business plan that covers narrative, visuals, and financial projections. It's built for customization. You can change sections, tone, and assumptions with a few clicks, and it tailors the plan to your industry right from the start. The financial modeling is surprisingly solid, letting you adjust revenue streams, costs, and even currency. Export options are generous with PDF, Word, and PowerPoint. It's also easy to use. A short questionnaire launches the process. Their privacy policy is transparent, and while it's a paid tool, the support is responsive and integrations are expanding. For many founders, this is the all-in-one option. Promet.ai takes a slightly different approach. It begins with your idea description, then builds out a comprehensive strategy with financials baked in. It's highly flexible. You can tweak the assumptions at every step and even regenerate sections without losing your progress. Promet.ai also asks for your sector, which makes its recommendations more relevant to niche businesses. Its financial modeling is robust, supporting local currencies and taxes. You can export your plan into multiple formats for presentations. The interface is wizard style, so there's little learning curve. Data privacy is spelled out, pricing is straightforward, and their help desk is surprisingly quick for a young platform. If you're after speed without sacrificing detail, Promet.ai hits that sweet spot. Piktochart stands out because of its visuals. It's an AI business plan generator that turns your idea into a design-driven document. Think investor-ready slides and infographics. While its depth of financial modeling isn't as strong as some, it excels in customization and style. You can drag and drop your data, adjust layouts, and brand the plan with your colors. Industry templates make it easy to fit different sectors, but you'll need to bring your own detailed financials. Export is a strength: crisp PDFs, shareable links, even interactive dashboards. It's intuitive to use if you're comfortable with design tools, and its privacy and pricing tiers are clear. Support materials are plentiful, making it easy to get started. Visum is in the same design-first family, but with its own twist. It uses AI to generate a first draft of your plan, then gives you a huge canvas of charts, icons, and branding options. Its depth of narrative is solid, but like Piktochart, you'll need to input your financial assumptions. Customization is almost limitless. It's like PowerPoint on steroids. Templates for different industries help shape your plan quickly. Export options are excellent, from PDFs to interactive online versions. It takes a little time to master, but rewards you with beautiful results. Privacy policies are published. Pricing is freemium with paid upgrades, and support includes tutorials and webinars. If you want your plan to look as good as it reads, Visum is a strong pick. PlanPros.ai is built for founders who want templates, forecasts, and investor-style presentation decks all in one. It offers depth across both text and numbers, with ready-made assumptions for many industries and the ability to edit them for your market. Its customization tools let you rearrange sections without breaking the plan. Financial modeling is serious here, multi-year projections with editable line items. Exporting to Word, PDF, and slide decks is seamless. The interface is guided, making it easy for non-experts. Privacy is addressed in their terms, and pricing is mid-range, but includes generous features. They offer responsive email support and are rolling out integrations with common accounting tools. BizPlanner.ai is about speed. It asks you a series of questions, then produces a full plan, narrative, market analysis, and financials in minutes. You can adjust numbers and text right in the platform. It supports multiple industries and local currencies, which is a plus for non-US markets. Export formats include PDF and Word. The interface is beginner-friendly and the privacy policy is clear. Pricing is competitive, with free previews and paid exports. Support is email-based, but helpful. If you're looking for a quick, guided experience without sacrificing key sections, BizPlanner.ai delivers. Quillbot is known for writing help, but its AI business plan generator gives you a solid text draft to work with. It's strongest on structure and wording, executive summaries, market analysis, and operational plans. It's weaker on financial projections and industry templates, so you'll need to add your own numbers. Customization is high because you can rephrase or expand sections instantly. Export is simple but limited to text formats. It's extremely easy to use, privacy policies are robust, and the free tier is generous with a paid upgrade for more features. If you already have your data and just need polished language, Quillbot is a handy companion. Content Ideas offers a free business plan generator that's great for brainstorming and creating multiple plan drafts for different use cases: startup, funding, expansion. It produces text across all the main sections and lets you edit inline. Financials are basic, but customization is decent. Industry relevance depends on your prompts, and export options may be limited on the free plan. The interface is lightweight and easy to navigate. Privacy information is on their site, pricing is freemium, and support is minimal but straightforward. This is a good tool for early-stage thinking before you move to a more robust platform. LivePlan is a seasoned name that has added an AI-powered assistant to its already strong platform. It covers everything: text, financial projections, industry benchmarks, with a focus on accuracy. Customization is excellent, allowing you to fine-tune every assumption. It's strong on sector-specific data and currency options, making it a safe choice for international founders. Exporting to PDFs and investor decks is seamless. It's easy to use with step-by-step guidance. Privacy policies are established. Pricing is premium but backed by a reputation for reliability, and support includes tutorials, webinars, and live help. If you want a trusted, all-around solution, LivePlan delivers. Jita.ai rounds out our list as a newer but intriguing option. It provides a collaborative workspace where you can use AI prompts to build your plan together with your team. Its depth of output depends on how you prompt it, but customization is nearly unlimited. It's industry agnostic but flexible, and you can import your own data. Financial projections are lighter but improving. Export options include basic formats, and the interface feels like a modern whiteboard. Privacy policies are available. Pricing has a generous free tier, and support is community-driven. If you're a team that likes to build together in real time, Jita.ai could be a creative fit. And that's our tour of 10 AI tools that can take you from idea to investor-ready plan. Some are full-stack planners, some are visual storytellers, some are writing companions. As you've heard, the right choice depends on your needs, your budget, and how much control you want over the process. In our next Byte Sized Future episode, we'll show you how to combine 2 or 3 of these tools into a single streamlined workflow that turns your idea into a plan and your plan into a pitch investors can't ignore. Stay tuned. The future of planning is getting bite-sized.